Top 4 best antioxidant that help to flush out toxins and repair kidney fast. Your kidneys might be getting damaged every single day, and you probably have no idea it's happening. What's worse, some of the foods you think are healthy could actually be making things harder for them. But there are a few powerful antioxidants that can help your kidneys clean out toxins faster than you expect. Your kidneys work nonstop, filtering your blood, flushing out waste, and keeping your body balanced. But stress, bad food, pollution, and even dehydration can slow them down. When toxins build up, everything feels off. Low energy, swelling, brain fog, even sleep problems. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 4 best antioxidants that help flush out toxins and support kidney repair fast. And most people either ignore them or use them the wrong way. Number 1, L-Carnitine. L-Carnitine is one antioxidant that many people ignore when talking about kidney health, even though it plays a very important role inside the body. Your kidneys and liver naturally produce L-Carnitine, and you also get it from foods like meat and fish. However, when kidney function starts to decline, the body's ability to make enough L-Carnitine also goes down. This creates a problem because L-Carnitine is essential for helping cells produce energy and remove toxic waste. One of its main jobs is to transport fatty acids into the mitochondria, which are like small energy factories inside each cell. When this process works well, fats are burned and turned into energy. But when L-Carnitine levels are low, fats begin to build up inside cells, leading to toxin accumulation, inflammation, and oxidative stress that slowly damages kidney tissue. Beyond energy production, L-Carnitine also acts as a powerful antioxidant. It helps neutralize harmful free radicals, reduces lipid damage, and supports the body's own antioxidant defenses, especially glutathione. Glutathione is critical for detoxification and kidney protection, and higher levels mean the kidneys can better defend themselves from daily damage. Research has shown that people with chronic kidney disease often have reduced L-Carnitine synthesis, and those on dialysis may lose even more due to the treatment itself. This loss can lead to fatigue, weakness, and slower toxin removal, all signs that the kidneys and cells are under stress. L-Carnitine supports kidney repair by improving mitochondrial function, lowering oxidative stress, and helping remove excess fatty acids and organic acids that would otherwise overload the kidneys. When oxidative damage decreases, kidney cells are no longer in constant survival mode and can begin to repair themselves. Supplementing L-Carnitine has been shown in several studies to increase antioxidant enzyme activity and lower markers of cellular damage, especially in dialysis patients. For best results, L-Carnitine is usually taken orally with meals and works even better when combined with other antioxidants like vitamin C or vitamin E, along with proper hydration. Overall, L-Carnitine helps flush out toxins, restores energy at the cellular level, and protects kidney cells from further damage, making it a strong first choice among antioxidants for kidney support and recovery. Number 2, Coenzyme Q10. Coenzyme Q10, often called CoQ10, is another powerful antioxidant that plays a key role in kidney health, even though most people only hear about it in relation to harder energy supplements. CoQ10 is naturally made inside the human body and is found in almost every cell, but it is especially concentrated inside mitochondria. Mitochondria are the energy centers of cells, and CoQ10 works right in the middle of the system by helping move electrons so the cell can produce energy. You also get small amounts of CoQ10 from food, mainly from animal organs like liver, fatty fish, soybeans, and olive oil, but the daily amount from food is usually very low. One of the most important things CoQ10 does for the kidneys is protect cell membranes from damage. During normal energy production, mitochondria create free radicals. These free radicals can attack fats and proteins in the cell membrane, leading to inflammation and long-term damage. CoQ10 sits inside the membrane and acts like a shield. It stops these free radicals before they can damage nearby cells. This is extremely important for kidney cells because they are under constant stress from filtering blood and removing toxins every second of the day. CoQ10 also works closely with other antioxidants. For example, it helps regenerate vitamin E after vitamin E neutralizes a free radical. Without CoQ10, vitamin E would lose its protective power much faster. CoQ10 also helps protect genetic material inside the mitochondria, especially mitochondrial DNA, which is very sensitive to oxidative damage. When mitochondrial DNA is damaged, cells lose energy, age faster, and struggle to repair themselves. By protecting this DNA, CoQ10 helps kidney cells stay alive and functional longer. Another major benefit of CoQ10 is that it helps prevent unnecessary cell death. In kidney disease, oxidative stress can trigger cells to shut down and die too early. CoQ10 helps stabilize the mitochondrial membrane and prevents signals that tell the cell to self-destruct. This means fewer kidney cells are lost over time, which is critical for slowing kidney damage and supporting repair. Studies have shown that people with chronic kidney disease often have lower CoQ10 levels, and this reduction seems to be linked with worsening kidney function. In patients on hemodialysis, low CoQ10 levels have also been associated with increased visceral fat around the heart, which produces inflammatory chemicals. This inflammation increases oxidative stress and may use up even more CoQ10 as the body tries to defend itself. Because of this, researchers have looked at CoQ10 supplementation as a way to reduce oxidative stress and support both kidney and heart health. So how can CoQ10 be used correctly? CoQ10 is usually taken as an oral supplement, often with meals that contain fat because it is fat-soluble and absorbs better that way. Consistency matters more than high doses. While not every study shows dramatic results, CoQ10 is considered safe for most people and may help support mitochondrial function and antioxidant balance over time. It works best when combined with other antioxidants such as vitamin E, vitamin C, and nutrients that support mitochondrial health. Staying well hydrated and maintaining a balanced diet also helps CoQ10 do its job more effectively by reducing the overall toxin load on the kidneys. In simple terms, CoQ10 helps flush out toxins by improving energy production, reducing oxidative stress, and protecting kidney cells from damage at the mitochondrial level. It doesn't act like a quick detox, but rather like long-term protection that allows kidney cells to function better and repair themselves more efficiently. That's why CoQ10 earns its place as the second powerful antioxidant on this list, especially for people concerned about kidney stress, low energy, and long-term cellular damage. Before we continue, if this video is helping you understand your kidneys better, take 1 second to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos. And drop a comment below if you have any questions or problems you're dealing with right now. I'm also curious, where are you watching from and how old are you? Number 3, alpha-lipoic acid. Alpha-lipoic acid, often called ALA, is one of the most unique antioxidants on this list because it works in many different ways at the same time. ALA is naturally present inside the body and plays a key role in how mitochondria turn sugar into energy. It also comes from food, mainly from organ meats like liver, kidney, and heart, and in smaller amounts from fruits and vegetables. Even though the body can make small amounts of ALA, stress, aging, diabetes, and kidney problems can quickly increase the demand for it. One major reason ALA is so valuable for kidney health is its strong antioxidant power. ALA can directly neutralize harmful free radicals, but it goes even further than that. It helps bind excess metals like iron and copper, which are known to increase oxidative stress in kidney tissue. When these metals build up, they can speed up kidney damage. By reducing their activity, ALA helps lower toxin-related stress inside the kidneys. Another powerful benefit is that ALA helps recycle other antioxidants. After antioxidants like vitamin C, vitamin E, glutathione, and even CoQ10 do their job, they become weak. ALA helps recharge them so they can keep working. This makes ALA a central player in the body's entire antioxidant system, especially in organs that deal with toxins every day, like the kidneys. ALA also helps calm inflammation. It does this by turning down signals in the body that promote chronic inflammation and by turning on protective genes that improve cellular defense. This matters because long-term kidney damage is strongly linked to ongoing inflammation. When inflammation is reduced, kidney cells have a better chance to survive and repair themselves. Another important role of ALA is its effect on blood sugar and fat metabolism. High blood sugar and poor fat control are major risk factors for kidney damage, especially in people with diabetes. ALA helps improve how the body uses glucose and fats, which lowers metabolic stress on the kidneys. In animal studies of diabetic kidney disease, ALA slowed kidney damage, reduced scarring in kidney filters, restored antioxidant levels, and protected mitochondrial function. All of these effects point toward better long-term kidney protection. ALA also supports blood vessel health. Healthy blood flow is critical for kidneys because they filter large volumes of blood every day. ALA helps protect blood vessels from calcification and prevents damage to the smooth muscle cells and vessel walls. This improves oxygen and nutrient delivery to kidney tissue, supporting repair and normal function. So how should ALA be used? ALA is usually taken as an oral supplement, often once daily. It can be taken on an empty stomach for better absorption, but some people prefer taking it with food to avoid stomach discomfort. The key with ALA is not to expect instant results. Its strength comes from steady use and from supporting the body's antioxidant network over time. ALA works best when combined with other antioxidants. Pairing it with CoQ10, vitamins C and E, and proper hydration creates a stronger defense against oxidative stress. Together, these compounds help flush out toxins, protect mitochondria, reduce inflammation, and support kidney cell repair more effectively than using one antioxidant alone. In simple terms, alpha-lipoic acid helps the kidneys by lowering oxidative stress, calming inflammation, improving energy production, and strengthening the body's natural detox systems. It may not be a quick fix, but as part of a smart antioxidant combination, ALA plays a powerful role in protecting the kidneys and slowing down damage over time. Number 4. Selenium. The fourth and final antioxidant on this list is selenium, and even though it's a trace mineral, its impact on kidney health is much bigger than most people realize. Selenium is something your body cannot make on its own, so you must get it from food. It's found in meat, seafood, grains, fish like tuna and mackerel, and vegetables such as garlic, onions, and broccoli. But the richest natural source by far is Brazil nuts. Just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts can provide a full day's worth of selenium. So why does selenium matter so much for the kidneys? Selenium is a key part of some of the body's most important antioxidant enzymes, especially glutathione peroxidase and thioredoxin reductase. These enzymes act like cleanup crews. They neutralize harmful free radicals before those radicals can damage kidney cells, blood vessels, and DNA. Since the kidneys filter large amounts of blood every day, they are constantly exposed to oxidative stress. Without enough selenium, this defense system becomes weak. Multiple studies have shown that people with chronic kidney disease, especially those on dialysis, often have low selenium levels. This deficiency means their antioxidant protection is already compromised. When oxidative stress stays high for too long, kidney tissue becomes inflamed, damaged, and less able to repair itself. One important benefit of selenium is its ability to boost glutathione peroxidase activity. Glutathione peroxidase is one of the main enzymes that protect kidney cells from toxin-related damage. In patients with early-stage kidney disease, selenium supplementation has been shown to increase the activity of this enzyme, helping the kidneys defend themselves more effectively. This is especially important in the early phases of kidney damage, when repair is still possible. Selenium has also been shown to help protect DNA from oxidative damage. In some clinical studies, taking selenium for several weeks lowered markers of lipid damage and helped stabilize cellular structures. This matters because damaged DNA and cell membranes make it harder for kidney cells to function and recover. Another interesting point is how selenium works together with other antioxidants. For example, when selenium is combined with vitamin E, the protective effect becomes stronger. Vitamin E protects cell membranes, while selenium-dependent enzymes remove the harmful byproducts created during oxidative stress. In dialysis patients, selenium combined with vitamin E has been shown to reduce oxidative damage caused by iron treatments, which are commonly used during dialysis. So how should selenium be used safely? First, selenium works best in small, controlled amounts. More is not better. Selenium is powerful, but too much can cause problems. That's why food sources are often the safest option. One or two Brazil nuts a few times per week can be enough for many people. If supplements are used, they should be low dose and ideally discussed with a healthcare provider, especially for people with kidney disease. Selenium should not be used alone. Its real strength shows up when it's combined with other antioxidants like vitamin E, vitamin C, alpha-lipoic acid, and CoQ10. Together, they form a network that lowers oxidative stress, supports detox pathways, and protects kidney cells from ongoing damage. In simple terms, selenium helps flush out toxins by powering the body's natural antioxidant enzymes. It strengthens cellular defenses, protects DNA, and reduces oxidative stress that slowly wears down kidney function. While it's not a cure and not meant for high-dose daily use, selenium plays an important supporting role in kidney protection, especially in the early stages of kidney stress. That's why selenium earns its place as the fourth antioxidant on this list, completing a powerful group of nutrients that work together to protect the kidneys, reduce toxin buildup, and support long-term repair. When you step back and look at all four of these antioxidants together, one thing becomes very clear. There is no single magic pill that fixes kidney problems overnight. Real kidney support comes from reducing stress inside the cells, helping the body clear out toxins more efficiently, and giving kidney tissue the tools it needs to repair itself. L-Carnitine helps move toxic fats out of the way and restores energy inside kidney cells. Coenzyme Q10 protects mitochondria and keeps those cells alive and working. Alpha-Lipoic acid strengthens the entire antioxidant system, lowers inflammation, and supports blood sugar and metabolism that directly affect kidney health. And selenium powers the enzymes that act as the body's natural cleanup crew, especially in the early stages of kidney stress. When these antioxidants are used the right way and combined wisely, they don't just support the kidneys on the surface. They work deep inside the cells where damage actually starts. They help lower oxidative stress, reduce toxin buildup, protect DNA, and slow down the processes that lead to kidney decline. This is why focusing on antioxidants isn't about trends or hype. It's about giving your kidneys a fighting chance to recover, function better, and stay stronger for longer in a world that constantly puts them under pressure. If you want to keep learning how to protect your kidneys and avoid the mistakes most people make, watch the next video.